Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent, and this is our Throwback 2019 session number 10. This is wonderful session. Why? Because you will not find such compilation at one place. This is about defense exercises and operations. So here I have developed a wonderful compilation for you at one place, at one go. You are going to get everything. Okay, so what is this? This is name of the exercise. So यहाँ पे उसका नाम है types of exercise and which countries are participating, whether it is military, navy or all three services, or what type of exercise it is and which countries are participating. That is given. Okay, चलिए देखते हैं फटाफट. So this is a very small video, but it is having a good content. Make sure that you download from protalentdigital.com. okay, this is available on protalentdigital.com. एक PDF और आपका काम खत्म. Kazind is for India and Kazakhstan for military. Malabar exercise is Navy for Japan, USA and India. Now many more countries are also participating. Tiger Triumph is a tri-service between India and USA. Nomadic Elephant is for military, India and Mongolia. ठीक है. Him Vijay is an exercise by India for the military purpose. Now there is some story connected to Him Vijay. Please tell me what is the connection, why Him Vijay exercise. Okay, Navy India Bangladesh ka bilateral exercise, INBN bilateral. Dharma Guardian, very famous question which is generally asked. This is India Japan Vajra Prahar military for US and India. Shinyu Maitri is once again for military for India and Japan. Okay, and then so many others. So please go through them. I am not once again repeating everything. Make sure that you go through that. We have exercise Topchi only for India, and similarly we have Indo-Corpat, which is Navy exercise between India and Indonesia. Okay, this is, you can say, Mainamati Maitri military exercise for India and Bangladesh. Okay, Operation Balakot, which was done by India, that's an operation name. Okay, operations के नाम भी पता होना चाहिए. Exercise Vayu Shakti, Cobra Gold, Imbax. ठीक है, सी विजिल, दैट्स अ नेवी का एक तरीके के सर्वेलेंस एक्सरसाइज. ऑपरेशन संकल्प नेवी का खुद का, लेकिन से खाड़गा प्रहार इंडिया का मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन. IM कोड नेवी इंडिया और म्यांमार के बीच का. सिम्बैक्स बहुत बार क्वेश्चन आता है. वरुणा का क्वेश्चन बहुत बार आता है. ठीक है, बोल्ड कुरुक्षेत्र, दैट्स अ वेरी स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन. स्लाइनेक्स इज अ स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन टू बी आस्क्ड, बट पता चल जाता है स्लाइनेक्स बोल के श्रीलंका हो जाता है. सो दिस इज easy for the people. Centra, that is joint military exercise, you can say between many countries. Samudra Lakshman, Yuddha Abhyas, Indo-Thai Corpat. ठीक है, Amuks, Hand in Hand, that is India and China का, ये famous है. ठीक है, Similarly Center Mission Reach Out, that's an India का एक मिशन था. आपको बताना है किस चीज का मिशन है. So this is a full list available to you for defense exercise. Okay, here I don't have too much to share about all these defense exercises, but my work is to give you compilation at one place. I hope you have received it. Take it from protalentdigital.com. Thank you very much and all the best for your preparation.